Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you convert your crypto in Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to convert your crypto, you just simply have to open your Bitget application at very first. Then after opening the application, you will get this section of trade. Tap into trade section at very first, and after that you will get this convert option into here. Just simply tap to convert and it will show you this section where you can enter the amount in here, but before that you have to choose from which network or currency and you just simply have to select both of the before and after conversion. For my case, I want to convert my Bitcoin to Ethereum. Now just simply select the amount that you would like to convert. I cannot show it because I don't have any balance into my Bitget, so if you do enter the amount and tap to preview button, it is gonna show the preview, and after reading preview, if you would like to confirm, you just simply have to tap to confirm and it will be converted. This way you can very easily convert your crypto in Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.